When it's hot, we need a cool summertime treat like our frozen yogurt bark.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands.
You're going to need 2 cups of vanilla yogurt, 1 cup of sliced strawberries, some pretzel sticks that have been broken into smaller pieces, some mini chocolate chips, and a tablespoon of either honey or maple syrup. So you're going to want to prepare your strawberries by washing them under some cool running water and then slicing them. Next, you're going to want to line a baking sheet with some aluminum foil, and then we're going to spread 2 cups of yogurt onto the foil. You're going to get all that good yogurt in there, and then we're just going to spread it all the way around. Now you're going to want this to be about 1/4 of an inch thick with yogurt. Next, we're going to take our strawberries and we're going to lay them out on top of the yogurt. Now you could cut these a little smaller if you wanted, but these pieces will work just fine. I think this makes a pretty little dish. Next, we're going to take our pretzel pieces and we're going to sprinkle them over the top. We're going to get that nice salty sweet taste with this. We're going to take and put some chocolate chips on top. A little here and there. And then over the top of that, we're going to drizzle our honey. Going to make it taste extra special. That's all there is to that. Now we're going to pop this in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours or until it's completely frozen. Okay, now our yogurt bark has been frozen and I've taken it out of the freezer. We're going to cut it apart. I'm going to cut it apart here. I'm going to take and try to just pop this through. Oh, look at that. It's going to pop. All right, it is ready to serve. Now you're going to want to eat this immediately or put it into a freezer safe container or bag and put it back into the freezer. Doesn't that look good?
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.